in this video. The Bitcoin price is right now gearing up for this next massive move. And on top of that, we are also going to dive in with Ethereum, BNB, as well as the SLP price action. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. And guys, in case hindi nyo pa nakita, meron din tayo actually t-shirt giveaway brought to you by Bybit. So if you want to take part with our t-shirt giveaway, you can actually join dito. You can actually find this in the description down below. So now, let's give you a quick update first with the Bitcoin price action and let's give you a quick recap. So, di ba kahapon nag-expect tayo ng more consolidation between the 43K kasi if we're going to open our other Fibonacci retracement, this is actually basing in the 4-hour time frame, you can actually see na we are at this current support area. So, we are going to expect more consolidation within that area. And right now, we are seeing that playing out exactly. And look at this guys, nagbigay ako ng update kagabi na nag-form tayo ng falling wedge within the 15-minute or hourly time frame. So, kitang-kita siya na meron tayong falling wedge. And this is traditionally a bullish pattern. And then look at that, we met our first target exactly as predicted. Though hindi na tayo umabot sa ating pinakang final and technical target. However, it started forming this new support and resistance area na we are going to monitor kasi look at this. Right now, the Bitcoin price is forming this descending triangle. And traditionally, a descending triangle is a bearish pattern to the downside. So it usually leads to a bearish breakout. So in this case, if this is going to be a bearish breakout, then we might see a movement up until siguro the 41.4K. Yun yung ating titingnan dito if let's say this breaks to the downside. Pero if we are going to break bullish, kasi look at this, meron tayong clear resistance with the hourly time frame. So if na-break natin yung resistance na yan, then we can see actually a move up until the 45.9K. So right now, this is what you're going to monitor with the Bitcoin price action if we are going to see either a bullish or bearish breakout. And then tingnan nyo din guys yung structure nito in the hourly. Kasi look at this. Previously, we were forming this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, pero na-break natin yung trend ng higher low. And then look at this, nagkaroon na tayo ng lower high. And then another lower high. So this could indicate na we might be seeing a possible pullback na nga dito sa ating early time frame. Then in that case, we might see a movement back to the 200 moving average. And that is not bad kasi in this case, if bumalik tayo dyan, then pwede natin ma-reset yung ating Bitcoin price action. Because if you're going to look back within the previous Bitcoin price actions, 200 moving average is a good area para makuha tayo ng support. And then of course, para ma-reset yung ating movement. So, if this pulls back, then of course, that's a good thing. Kasi nare-reset natin yung indicators natin, especially the RSI. As you can see, mas maganda na ma-reset yung RSI natin para at least makakakuha tayo ng momentum to pump to the upside. And then from there on, we are going to wait it out. If let's say this breaks bearish, then we are going to wait it out if we are going to see a massive support dyan. Kasi if we break that, then we are going to look at other opportunities and then we are going to assess the market once again. But in this case, we have two possible opportunities which we can actually take advantage. So if this breaks bullish, then we are going to open a long position, set a stop loss na lang just below the support. But if this breaks bearish, then we are going to open a shorting position, set a stop loss na lang just above the support area. So that's what we are going to play out with the Bitcoin price action. And then let's look at this in the 4-hour time frame. You can see na this could also be a possible pullback to the 50 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So either way, it's pretty much confluent if we are going to break that. But take note, nothing is confirmed yet, not unless we see a breakout within the support and resistances with either a buy or sell volume. But guys, if you want to trade these different opportunities, one of the best place to trade this is actually in BingX kasi dito mas mura yung Bitcoin trading fees. And if you want to claim bonus dito, just use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. So that is what we are going to monitor with the Bitcoin price action. As you can see, the 4-hour time frame is also about to decline sa ating RSI, which is actually a good thing kasi we want the RSI to reset. Kahit papano, kasi if we are going to reset the RSI at a higher level, then in that case, pwede tayo makakuha ng movement na mas mataas and then makakuha tayo ng mas mataas na momentum. If let's say, dito nag-reset yung ating RSI, that's a good thing. But now, on top of that, ano ba mangyayari ngayon sa ating altcoin market? So with that being said, let's dive in with the altcoin market by looking at the Bitcoin dominance. So diba, nakakita tayo ng breakout sa ating Bitcoin dominance indicating na altcoins were bleeding relatively earlier today or yesterday. So nakita tayo na nag-bleed yung altcoins natin. Pero right now, we are now at this resistance area nitong Bitcoin dominance. So it's either na we are going to see altcoins perform better if we are going to decline dito. So right now, if we are going to see a continuous decline dito sa ating Bitcoin dominance, then it would indicate na altcoins are going to perform better. So right now, that is what you're going to monitor. But as of this time being, you can actually see na nag-form tayo ng panibagong support area. And then, this is a resistance area na nag-form ngayon dito kay Bitcoin dominance. So this could indicate na we might see a possible movement na ngayon dito sa ating Bitcoin dominance. So in this case, we are going to monitor this if this breaks bearish. Kasi if this breaks bearish, then we are going to see another altcoin season. Pero right now, it's still too early to tell pa kasi di pa tayo nakita ng breakout. And we are still inside the rising wedge pa. So we can still play this one out. But in general, if you're going to follow this uptrend, this would indicate na Bitcoin is going to perform better and altcoins are relatively going to bleed or mapapag-iwanan sila. But always remember the fundamentals ng Bitcoin dominance. If the dominance is declining, altcoins are going to perform better. But if the dominance is increasing, Bitcoin is going to perform better and altcoins will more likely bleed against Bitcoin. And with that being said, pasad na natin yung mga altcoins natin. So let's try to look first at the Ethereum price action. So as you can see, you can now actually see na meron na tayong clear resistance within the Ethereum price action. But as for support, I don't think na meron tayong clear support area other than the 100 moving average in the early time frame. So if we break this 100 moving average in the early, then we might actually go down with the Ethereum price action. But ang magiging target support area natin dyan would more likely be around the 2.9k or 2,942 US dollar area if we are going to break this support. So you can say na this is the support area na we are going to monitor with the Ethereum price action. Pero if we break bullish, then I think ang magiging next target natin dito would be the previous high, which is around the 3,187 US dollars. So just like with the Bitcoin price action, you can see na meron din tayong series of trend na higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, pero na-break natin yung trend. Naging lower low siya, and then naging lower high. And right now, that is what we are going to monitor with the Ethereum price action. If we are going to see a pullback ngayon with the Ethereum price action, then in that case, that is also a swing tradable opportunity. Now, when it comes to BNB naman, yung ating mga previous analysis last week, so diba last week nagpakita tayo ng analysis kay BNB na meron tayong forming na ascending triangle, and this is more likely going to lead into a big move. And fair enough, we saw that move exactly as predicted. So congratulations if we have seen that movement play out. And right now, as you can see, BNB is getting rejected by the 200 moving average in the early time frame. So right now, I think pwedeng mag-cool off muna dito si BNB for the time being. Let's look at the RSI. The RSI is indicating na possible nga na ma-reset tayo dyan. But this is a good thing. But for the time being, I think I'm going to expect more consolidation dito kay BNB rather than a pullback within the 398 up until the 415 US dollars. So, dun yung ating possible support area within the BNB price action. And last but not least, let's talk about SLP. Kasi look at this. For the SLP, yung ating daily time frame, nag-close tayo below the resistance. So, indicating na hindi tayo confirm bullish. So, as you can see, open na ngayon yung panibagong candle. So, as of the time being, hindi tayo confirmed na bullish breakout. So, in this case, wala tayong confirmation of a bullish breakout for the time being. But this is also a bad thing. Kasi look at this candle. Usually, this type of candle is a bearish trend reversal candle pattern. So, if this is going to be a bearish pattern na ating candle, then we might actually see SLP pullback if, let's say, di natin na-hold yung itong yellow line in the daily time frame. Kasi, of course, take note, in order to confirm na magiging close yung candle natin at kung magiging bullish siya, dapat kasi mag-close itong candle above this yellow line, which is the 50-day moving average. Dapat mag-close siya tomorrow 8 a.m. above this area, pero kung hindi natin siya na-close, then of course, this is not a confirmed bullish movement. And if let's say, lalo pa tumagal tayo dito below the area, if let's say, lalo pa tayo nag-consolidate dito below the area, then it's more likely na pwede siya mag-pullback na nga dito kay SLP price action. But if you're going to look at this in the very short term, siguro let's try to look at this in the early. You can see na nag-form tayo ng falling channel, and traditionally, if we break this, ang magiging target niya would more likely be the top of the channel, and then yung mga ibang resistances. But as you can see, nare-reject na tayo nitong ating latest resistance. So, for the time being, ito yung i-monitor nyo kay SLP price action, and siguro ang kailangan mo din tingnan dyan is this support area na nag-form ngayon kay SLP. If na-break niya itong trend, itong support line na yan, then that would be a bad thing kasi it would indicate na pwede tayo mag-decline further with SLP price action. So, right now, that is what you have to monitor with the SLP price action. So this could be a possible ascending channel nito kay SLP. But if we are going to break that, then our target support area would be the bottom of the channel. And yun nga ating titingnan dito with the SLP price action. And then, diba, lagi ko sa inyo sinasabi na this area is actually a selling opportunity area. Ang dami ko kasi nakikita na nagtatanong na dapat ba sila bumili ng SLP ngayon? Kung maganda ba bumili? Ako personally, I don't think so. Itong mga indicators na yan are a selling opportunity. Kahit umakyat tayo na umakyat, those are selling opportunities. Kasi typically, the only time na you should be buying SLP is whenever na we are seeing a possible trend reversal signal, such as ito. Tingnan nyo to guys. RSI is a good indicator in determining if you are going to flip bullish or bearish. In this case, as you can see, kaya tayo nag-flip bullish lately kay SLP kasi nagkaroon tayo ng bullish divergence. So as you can see, the price was declining while the RSI is also increasing. So that is an indicator of a bullish trend reversal. So in this case, dapat kasi sa mga ganyang movement ka bumibili if nagkakaroon tayo ng bullish divergence. And of course, yung mga magandang entry opportunities dyan is actually if nagkaroon tayo ng bullish breakout sa mga ating support and resistance area. So in this case, if nagkaroon tayo ng bullish breakout, this is a good buying opportunity. Pero ang nangyayari ngayon is nag-pump na si SLP. So in this case, this is not a buying opportunity. This is a selling opportunity. Look at the RSI. Typically, whenever the RSI is above 70, that is a selling signal. So in this case, this is another selling opportunity for the SLP price action. So yung mga nagtatanong na kung maganda pa ba bumili, hindi na guys. Masyado nang late for the very short term. If gusto nyo bumili ng SLP, kailangan nyo abangan ulit to bumagsak below the 30 threshold. Dapat yung RSI niya is below 30. In this case, if below 30 siya, just like nung previous movement, then that is the buying opportunity kay SLP. So remember, buying opportunity kay SLP is by looking at the smaller time frame. Tingnan nyo kung yung RSI niya is below 30. If below 30, buy opportunity. If above 70, selling opportunity. And right now, it's a selling opportunity for SLP. And then remember, tandaan yung strategy na sinabi natin. Pag mag-sell ka, ang selling mo lang palagi is 30% ka lang palagi pag mag-sell para if let's say if ever na umakit palalo si SLP, may SLP ka pang hawak and then at the same time, nakakapag-take profit ka habang umaakit si SLP. Remember that strategy and that is called dollar cost averaging out with the latest SLP price action. Remember to have a proper strategy. Huwag kayong maging greedy. Huwag nyo i-hodl lahat. Hindi porket umaakit, kailangan nyo mag-hodl. Pag umaakit, ibig sabihin nun dapat mag-take profit ka within those price actions. And hindi lang siya specific kay SLP. Actually, sa kahit anong coin, if umaakit siya, dapat take profit opportunity na yan. By that time, if let's say you are investing for the short term lang, it's a selling opportunity na talaga sa mga ganyang coin. So, always remember, huwag kayo masyadong greedy, secure your capital as well as secure your profits. Pero guys, if let's say you want to long or short SLP, one of the only places na you can actually do that is actually in Bybit. And as usual, if you want to claim bonds dito kay Bybit, just use my sign-up code na you can find in the description down below. So, ayun muna update natin for the time being for the following coins. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.